Hello and welcome to Stilla Cube. I'm here in sunny Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a pour on this canvas, and I've actually got it on my spinner. What I did was I folded my tape over, so I've stuck it behind and folded the tape over in like a complete, so it sticks onto the spinner and sticks onto the canvas. I'm probably not going to spin it as part of the art, but it will help me just maneuver it for the particular thing that I want to do next with it. So I'm going to put, first of all, this lovely, it was turquoise and added mostly blue, so it's this gorgeous baby blue colour. And I think I'm going to have that as my base for this particular one. I was going to split the base, but I think I will just stick with this as my base because this is such a beautiful pale turquoise or light turquoise, duck egg blue or baby blue. And just to let you know, we're about to have our baby tomorrow. Our granddaughter is going to be born tomorrow morning at 11 o'clock by caesarean section, unless something happens today or tonight to change that. She is ready to be born, and my daughter-in-law Karina is ready, certainly ready to have the baby now. So that's exciting for me. I'm hoping that they'll let me do a little bit of video footage when I go to see the baby. I'm actually going with Karina to the hospital in the morning at 4 o'clock in the morning to take her in for a C-section, and because the baby's definitely overcooking if they leave it in any longer. So yeah, I'm very excited grandma for that. So all good things happening at the moment. So very excited. So there you go, there's my lovely duck egg base. Now I'm hoping that I'm going to do, this is my Berry Delicious, which is very dark red, phthalo blue and black with Floetrol only. I'm hoping I might need a bit more paint on there, that I can do a background that's, just a celled background. So this is the background. I'm using my Swifty Swipe, which is just a spatula with a piece of the soft plastic file divider taped on the front. So it's all nice and smooth at the back. And you can use it so easy as your swipey tool. Oh, wowzers trousers, that is gorgeous. So it's very easy to use this. You could make it, I mean, it's very crudely made, but it's very useful tool. Because it's got the offset handle, it just swipes so nice and easy. Probably much better than holding a little bit of plastic or card, but I just wanted to do a bit of a different background for this particular pour. I absolutely don't mind it missing bits because that'll just add to the character of the whole piece. So it's got some really lovely laciness. I'll have to bring you down to see this laciness. It's just gorgeous. I think I do want that bit there. Beautiful. Oh, it's so gorgeous. So gorgeous. I'm going to bring you down and have a look at this lovely lace, because I'm not sure if you get the full view up there. So this is that beautiful lacy effect. Look, how easy was that achieved with very few colours. Not just the two colours, but that custom Berry Delicious is always gorgeous. So it's created some lovely effects for my background. Very, very happy with that one. So we'll move on to the next stage. Okie doke. Next stage, I'll just put down some colour. These are just my ordinary global acrylics made up with the pouring medium that I have in the drop down box. So this is, I think this is my navy actually. I probably should have started with a light colour on the bottom, but never mind, it's all good. And this is the bright yellow. This is now to hopefully jazz it up, but with that lovely background in there. So now for orange, I always put a good squirt of yellow in my orange to make the orange look even brighter. There's fried eggs, and this will be my Berry Delicious. Again, put it in there, and then I'll add, where's some white? Where's my white? Goodness, I've got no white, would you believe it or not? Oh, I have got a bit of white. I need to do some of my white with the cell activator in it. I'll just put a blob of white in there. What else shall I put in there? Oops, I've got a tiny little bit of this green. I just might try this. More the merrier, maybe not. Maybe too much. That's okay. Going with the flow, and I've got this very fluoro pink left here, so I'm gonna pop it in there. It'll be gorgeous. Okay, and now on the top I'm putting my Berry Delicious, well, it's the purple with just Floetrol again. So my husband just turned up, so I'm probably gonna have a riot with my son who's playing up, being cheeky on my video. He was on the last one, but anyway, it's life for sure. Rightio. Now for the little blowout. Oh, it's not blowing very far. Maybe I'll just do one stream. Haven't got enough paint on there this time. Should have put more paint. Oh dear, what have I done there? See, it's not, I haven't got enough. The base should have been a lot more fluid behind it, but I'll see what I can do to fix it up. And if not, I'll just correct it. I'll try and make some separation of the leaves with my skewer. Oh dear, maybe not. Not looking too crash hot, this one, but the colours are beautiful. Maybe I can change it with my balloon. So I'll give this a go. That puts a little bit better effect in it. But I definitely, it's not, I should have used more paint. It's not flowy Joey. I could allow it to dry a little bit and then paint in some effects. Maybe I need to just kiss the bottom of it because it's the bottom of there. It doesn't look too hot, too crash hot, but you just try. Enjoy the process more than anything, as I always say. So that's looking better. Okay, I should have used more paint to give the background on the background, so the blowout would have give a better effect. But what could I do to save that? I think I'm going to leave it as it is. It is not like a petal effect, but it's kind of very attractive with the colours. So what do you guys think? I'll have a think about it, and if I come back to it, I'll come back to it, and if I don't, I don't.